Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Acrylic Sanya. Subscribe if you already haven't. In today's tutorial, we are going to learn how to make a thick textured sunflower. So here I have stuffed the textured paste in a cone and I'm giving it a petal shape on the canvas directly. So the texture paste is basically a modeling paste mixed with colors. There are also readily available texture paste in the market. If that is what is available in your area, you can go ahead and use that. If it is not, you can always make your own texture paste. You can find modeling paste and add colors to it and then use it. So I'm showing you two ways to make a sunflower. First is just stuff the texture paste into a cone, and as you can see, I use a knife afterwards to just give it a shape of the petals. And the second is right now, which I'm showing, use a diamond shaped knife and load it with the texture paste and make sure both the sides of the knife are clean before you are dabbing it on the canvas, and very gently push it towards the canvas. It should be very gentle because if you're very hard on it, the marks of the knife will be seen on it and it won't look good. Make sure you're relaxing and having fun while creating this tutorial. Your output or outcome may not be same as that of mine, but believe me, it will be something very beautiful and unique. You can use any knife as long as it is like a little diamond shape in front of it. There's no specific knife you need to use for this particular one. Although you will need a round shape of knife for coloring the center part of the sunflower. Here I'm putting black texture paste in the center. And using a round knife to give it the shape. Do let me know in the comment section which is the next tutorial you would like to see on my channel, and I'd like to see your projects. If you're following my tutorial, do follow me on Instagram at Sanya's Art Studio. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day.